There's a very popular winter program in the UK. I'm a celebrity, get me out of here. We all enjoy watching the celebrities doing the jungle trials. Apart from the bugs, snakes, spiders, there is an eating trial. Although most of the eating materials are absolutely outrageous, there are also some eating materials are absolutely nice and delicious. Of course, just like any food, not everybody likes them, but only because they are very unusual, hence people feel they are horrible to eat. One of them is my subject today, black eggs. Black eggs are a Chinese preserved egg product made by processing eggs in a mixture of clay, ash, salt, quicklime, and rice hulls. For several weeks through the process, the yolk becomes a dark color with a creamy consistency and a strong flavor due to the hydrogen sulfide and ammonia present, with the white becomes a dark brown translucent jelly with a salty flavor. There are many well-liked recipes, such as black egg salad, black eggs fried with seasonal fresh vegetable, black eggs and pork spring onion porridge, and so on. In the UK, the black eggs are for sale in almost all Chinese supermarkets and also on Amazon. Maybe next time when you watch the black egg trial, you will have a different perception.